In a forest, far away from the noise of the city, stood an ancient oak tree, strong and proud. One day, a grouse, small but fierce, decided to make its home in the oak. The grouse was a curious creature, always seeking adventure. It would flutter from branch to branch, marveling at the world below. However, its playful nature soon caused a problem. One day, the grouse, in its excitement, knocked off a bunch of acorns from the oak. The acorns fell hard on the ground, causing a loud noise that startled a nearby deer. The deer, startled, bolted away, leaving behind a trail of fear. The oak tree, feeling responsible for the deer's distress, felt a pang of guilt. The grouse, seeing the oak's troubled face, felt remorse. It understood that its actions had consequences, and it was time to make amends. The grouse flew up to the nearest tree and collected as many acorns as it could carry. With a determined heart, it returned to the oak tree and placed the acorns back on its branches. The oak tree, seeing the grouse's effort, felt a sense of relief. The grouse, though small, had shown remorse and made amends. From that day forward, the bond between the grouse and the oak tree grew stronger. The moral of the story is that no matter how small we may seem, we all have the power to make a difference. Our actions have consequences, and it is up to us to take responsibility and make amends when needed.